Hey guys, welcome back to another recipe. For today's video, I will be showing you guys one of the most famous Haitian dish. Okay, today we're making Haitian chicken and sauce. Now this one right here is a winner. Okay, every single bite of this chicken is full of flavor. You're going to love this recipe and it's pretty easy to make. So if you want to see it, stay tuned, subscribe, like the video for me. Without further ado, let's get started. To get started, you will need some épices. The épices is a must for Haitian chicken and sauce. I will be adding some adobo seasoning as well as some sazon, which is very optional, but I like to add it. It just gives you that oof. Okay, now here I have some Maggi with some salt, and also you will need some tomato paste for the color. I'll be adding some ground cloves as well with some ground black pepper. Over here I have some yellow onion, thyme and parsley with red bell pepper and half a lime. I need the lime juice, y'all. Now I'm adding my épices into the meat, okay, the chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. You can use whatever chicken, drumstick, wings, whatever you want, but I'm using thigh, which I do have plenty video how I clean them. I will leave all of that down below for y'all, okay? Now I'm adding all of my dry seasoning in, okay? I added the épices, I'm adding the Maggi, like I said, all of the dry seasoning, okay? And also I forgot to mention, you will need a little bit of oil, okay? Not too much, but just a little bit. Now that you're done adding all of your dry seasoning, I am going to give it a really good mix. Then I am going to let this marinate for about an hour to an hour and a half. Okay, I like to marinate my meat. Like, it will taste really good if you do it like that. Okay, I like to overnight the meat as well. So this is it right here. Put it in the fridge for 1 hour. This is 1 hour later. I am going to start cooking the meat. I added the chicken into my Dutch pot here because Haitian gotta come through with the Dutch pot, okay? I'm adding a little bit of water, maybe half of a cup of water. Then I'll add my parsley with some green scotch. Well, it's not green, it's like really spicy scotch bonnet pepper. Don't pop it open. Just let that simmer. Not simmer, I'll say medium high heat until the water reduce. Okay, I am going to let that cook for about 10 minutes, then flip it over. Okay, I am going to flip it over and cover it and let the water dry. Now over here is my tomato paste. I like to do it that way because it just makes the tomato paste dissolve better in the sauce. So I'm adding a little bit of water, mix that, just dilute the tomato paste with the water, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Now here is the time I added the tomato paste, but I forgot to mention I did add the oil while the chicken was boiling. Okay, do not forget that step. I forgot to mention, I'm so sorry. Now we're going to add the tomato sauce that we did. We're going to pour it in there, keep flipping over our chicken so we can have that nice crust, okay? At the same time, you can add a little bit of water if you want, okay? You don't have to use just the tomato. You can make your tomato paste more runny, but I didn't. Just to save yourself from adding more water, but I didn't. Just make it more watery so you don't have to use water. Just pour the tomato paste in there and you'll be good to go. So what I'm doing right now is basically braising the chicken because I want some type of crust. That's where the flavor is going to be at, the crust. I am braising the chicken for a little bit. Make sure it's on low so you don't burn the chicken at this point. The chicken is not fully cooked yet, okay? Chicken cooked really fast, but it's not done yet. Don't eat it. Now I'm going to keep adding the tomato paste with a little tiny bit of water for now, just so I can kind of like braise the chicken. Okay, I'm trying my best to explain this to you guys because I'm trying. Now you see me adding a little bit of water just because I don't want the chicken to burn at the bottom. That's how when you flip the chicken over, it'll be easier to just flip it over. And I don't like my chicken to be like overcooked, okay? That's one thing I don't like. I like the chicken to stay together. I don't want the chicken to just fall apart. So now, my chicken is nice and colorful. I am going to add the red bell pepper. You can add green bell pepper as well. And then I'll be adding my water for the sauce. You can add as much water as possible. Don't add too much now, but just add a little bit of water just to go above the chicken. Me personally, I don't like making a bunch of sauce and make it taste less. So I like to add a little bit of water just because that's just me. And then we're going to let it simmer for about 10 more minutes. Your chicken should be ready to go. That's it. It's full of flavor. I promise you, if you taste Haitian food before, leave a comment down below because Haitian food is the bomb. It tastes amazing. This is it. Hope you enjoy it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.